Let's see, are we on? Okay, hopefully this is going to work. So I'm going to try this. I'm going to try using Opera. It's kind of a fun software program to sign up for Octave Online using my other Gmail account, just so you can see how this is going to work. So I got a welcome sign there. I've got some sample commands I might try. I'll start using Octave Online, and I'll go ahead and I'll register. I'll sign in with an email. New user, use the email token sign in option instead. Where's that? New user, forgot your password, use the email token sign in option. Once you're signed in, use the change password. Do you see that? Sign in with email. Oh, via token. There it is. Okay. Uh, okay. So this is my Gmail. Don't send me anything, please. I guess I'm not a robot today. Okay, I'm going to pause this while I get the token from my email account. You guys don't need to see that. Okay, here's the token. Let's see, I want to try to copy and paste here. I've got lots of accounts here. Paste. Submit. Okay, I'm in. Of course, now I need to figure out how to. Was there a way to change your password? Change password. So I'm going to pause this. I'm going to change my password to something I'll know. So I'm going to hit the pause and I'll be back in a sec. Okay, I'm back. I've changed my password. Okay, good. Now, um, did you know you can use Octave Online in your class? I did know that. I'll dismiss that. I'll dismiss that. Okay, so down here, I want to use that enroll command. Oop, I better find it. I'm going to pause again while I find the enroll command that I need to use. This is going to be something that you'll find in your own thing here. Um, so I will be right back. I guess I don't need that. I will be right back with the command. Okay, I've returned. Ooh, I see we're getting advertisements off here to the right. Isn't that nice? Hopefully they're not anything too funky. Okay, so this is the command I need to use, this enroll command. So I will copy that here and paste it over here. Good, and let's see if this works. Octave Online says, when you enroll in a course, the instructor for that course will be able to access the files you save. You can cancel your enrollment at any time by running the following at the command prompt: enroll default. So you might take a note of that somewhere if you want. You'll probably be able to find that somewhere else. Maybe I should copy this. Maybe I'll take a snapshot. Okay, and then press cancel if you don't know what this means. Okay. Well, I can press OK too, right? Okay. Uh, okay, I think we're in. I don't have any files or anything right now, and so what I will do is over here, onto the far left here, you can press that, whatever that icon is right there next to files, and we can enter a file name. MyScript.m is okay. We'll give that a try. And so now what you can do is you can take a look at that, and then you can, of course, it's hello world. That's kind of a silly one, but you can share your files with each other or with me. I'm not sure exactly how this works yet, but we will see. Down here, of course, you can, if you type in my script, it will run hello world, or you can hit the run up here and it'll run. Okay. Um, we'll be able to change the name of this. We'll be able to move this around to different files etc. Okay, um, you can delete the file here. You can rename the file. Well, you can't really print it. Toggle word wrap. Share the file in a new bucket. Files in the bucket. Okay. We'll work out the bucket later. Okay, so you can play around with the introductory stuff. By that I mean this page down here that I started with. This is the one page, or well, it's bigger than one page now, setting Octave up. And so we've already gone through that a little bit. You can move the files around. You can make some directories. So the way this works is you should type in the stuff on the left, and on the right is a description of what you're doing. So for example, if I want to, I'll go ahead and show you some of these directory commands. Sometimes it's nice to be able to have those. So for example, down here I'll say make directory, my directory. By the way, whenever you type in file names, create file names, or directory names, do not use white space. It's going to really mess it up. This is like the old computer systems. They don't like that. Okay, and so now what you can do is if you type in ls, that will list the contents of your current directory, and so you can see that my directory has been created. I'm going to, I guess I can't really do anything with that right now. I'm going to move that file. I'm going to say move file, my script .m to my directory, just for fun. Okay, and so now if I type in ls to list the directory contents, you just see that it's gone. And now cd is the change directory command, so if you type in cd my directory, now type in ls, you can list the contents of the directory to see that my script is there. Okay, so now, oh, by the way, it doesn't say that anything has changed over here, so you have to hit the double arrow here to refresh the files, and then some stuff will be lost if you do that, but that's okay. And now you see that my directory is here, right? My directory, my script, and so you can still see it there. And by the way, I should say also, if you type in just cd, it'll return you home. So if you type in ls, you see that my directory is there. And also, MATLAB will search through at least this directory that you have. So for example, if I type in my script right now, it will still run it. Whoops, I thought it would. Oh no. Wasn't it? I guess not. I guess it can't find the file there. If you type in my directory, of course, / my script, it'll run. But I had it running before, so I'm not sure what happened there. Now it, whoops. My directory is undefined. Okay, cd my directory. I guess something is going on there. I'll have to figure it out later. My script, there it is, hello world. Okay, if you, well, we'll figure something out here. Something happened, but, well, play around, especially with some of these just basic commands here. There's some fun ones here. For example, what happens when you try to divide by 0? What does happen when you try to divide by 0? Anybody know? Infinity! Is that a good thing to say? I don't know. We'll talk more about that. And then some more administrative commands. So if I want to clear the screen, type in clear. Oh, if I want to clear my variables, it's clear. My variable names are right here in the middle. If I want to clear the screen, it's CLC. That clears the screen. Okay, and then what else do I have here? Who's help? Doc and demo. I don't know if we have demo command or the doc command available here. Demo. Oh, doc. Well, it does give us something else there. Okay, well, that gives us the help file. All right, so That's just a quick overview of how to sign in to Octave Online and how to at least get started. And so for the homework, just go ahead and run through these commands. Assign values to variables, the dot. Take a look at some of these ways of creating special arrays. Eyes is kind of a cute command. So for example, if I type in A equals I3, that's a 3 by 3 identity matrix. I'm surprised it said diagonal matrix. I don't know why it would say that. I haven't seen that before. Okay. Matrix arithmetic is defined here. By the way, I would typically tend to try my best to write things using linear algebra definitions. Um, Use a dot operator when you want to do things element-wise, and that is element by element. Otherwise, so what do I mean by that? Let's take A to be a random matrix that's 2 by 3, and B, let's be a random matrix that's 2 by 4. Then is A times B defined? No. Is B times A defined? No. What do I need to do? It would be B transpose times A would be defined. So B transpose times A would be defined. Okay. So also, how about B squared? Would B squared be defined? Nope, only square matrices. But if I do B dot star dot exponent square, that does it. That's what we mean by element wise. So this goes through the matrix B and squares each term individually. So the result is another 2 by 4 matrix. Oh, but I'm giving everything away. I'll stop here. I'll let you guys play around with the array commands, the matrix commands. Good. Okay. We're also going to take a look at some differential equation solvers, but we'll do that in another video. See you later.